Garlic can help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and boost the immune system. White onions, like other onions, are low in calories and high in nutrients. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. They're also a great source of antioxidants. Cilantro is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Roma tomatoes can support overall health, boost the immune system, and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, they're low in calories and high in fiber. Salsa made with fresh ingredients like tomatoes, onions, and cilantro can be a healthy and flavorful addition to your meals. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and can provide a boost of flavor without adding many calories.